So congrats, you decided to get a brand new estate plan, you're still working on it, and oops, you gotta make an edit. So, you go to your attorney, you get a brand new will, you get a brand new trust, whatever, you get those edits going, and all of a sudden you have old documents and you have the new ones. So what do you do with the old ones? Well, in Texas, you gotta do quite a bit actually, and I'm gonna talk to you today about that. So how to revoke old documents. If you have any questions on this or anything else, you can go to my website, www.legionlawpllc.com, and we can chat about how to revoke old documents. So with that, let's dive right in. Unfortunately, in Texas, it's not as simple as just simply stating, I got an old document, I'm good to go. In fact, you actually need to do quite a bit. In Texas, they require you to do an affirmative action that demonstrates that you meant to revoke something. So in other words, you can't just simply tell your friends, this is my old will, don't use it whenever I die. You got to actually destroy it. You got to mark it up. You got to do something to it to demonstrate that you really don't like this old document and you want to get rid of it. So my recommendation, generally speaking, is to write void on every page, spill coffee all over it, put it in the shredder, and then burn the scraps. You know, do something extreme like that, because at the end of the day, you really don't want someone to find both documents and one of them says void on it, just the first page, but the other pages look fine, and then this new one says something different than what he told you earlier, and you're really confused, and you don't want that circumstance to happen. So physically destroying the document definitely is an affirmative action that's very straightforward, and it demonstrates your intent to revoke your old document. This is the same for all other documents, and it's just a good rule of thumb. I would delete all PDFs. I would delete any kind of copy or destroy any kind of copy you have of it. I would let everyone know where the new copies are, what you intend to do with the new copies. And you want to erase all traces of it, including the copies that you've already given to other people, such as your hospital, the government, whatever. You want to make sure that your documents are the most brand new and everybody knows about them, and everyone knows that you intended to revoke your old documents. So that's kind of the process. I know it's a little bit more of a pain, but Texas has a really strong concern that somebody accidentally threw away their will when they were throwing out their junk mail or something, or you accidentally you revoked it but you take it back and you actually want to keep it now, so you keep the old document that you kind of marked up a little bit. The Texas really doesn't like it when people revoke things partially. You want to revoke it entirely with every might of your gusto that you have. So with that, that's kind of how you revoke old documents in Texas. It's not just simply you declare it and you're good to go. So make sure you do that, because otherwise there are going to be a lot of confused people after you pass away. If you have any other questions on that, you can email me directly, Derek, D-E-R-E-K, at legionlawpllc.com, or you can go to my website, www.legionlawpllc.com. You can go to my website, contact us page, and schedule a free call with me over the phone directly onto my calendar. So with that, thank you so much for watching and have a great day.